The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc) officially inaugurated the Meghalaya Talent Hunt 2025, signalling a strategic initiative designed to enhance youth engagement and broaden resident participation within the party structure. The launch event was attended by prominent figures including Mpcc President Vincent H. Palla, Nodal Coordinator Onika Merotra, and AICC Joint Secretary in charge of Meghalaya, Matthew Anthony. Addressing the media, Matthew Anthony articulated the rationale behind the platform. He noted that the talent hunt is being implemented statewide to establish an avenue where young people and other interested citizens can contribute their perspectives on political and policy matters. The initiative is specifically structured to identify potential candidates for key roles, including official party spokespersons and other essential capacities that require effective communication and articulation of the party's agenda. Matthew Anthony further emphasized that this initiative is intended to incentivize skilled and educated young professionals to leverage the platform of the Congress, recognizing its status as the oldest and most established political party in the Republic of India. The talent hunt aims to harness their expertise to strengthen the party's political discourse and operational effectiveness.
The youth as well as the educated people into the party, where we understand with the new age politics communication is a key. And this is an invitation for all the people who love a secular India, who believe in this Constitution of India, who believe in the ideology of the Congress, to come and participate with us. They have a brilliant space with us to showcase their articulation skills as spokespersons, their research skills as a research coordinator, and their PR skills as a media coordinator. And we would like to see this message going across the states, across the country, through all the states. That's why we are here, and we see, especially in the state of Meghalaya, there's a lot of interest in the Congress Party right now, and we would like to see how this is being received, and we use this opportunity to announce this opportunity to all the educated, experienced, intellectual and other experienced minds of people in the state of Meghalaya to come and be with us, participate with us, join us, and enjoy the beauty of one of the biggest and the oldest party of India, which has got the freedom of this country and which has developed the country to this level. Northeast is always an important region for the Congress Party. And if at all you look at the history of Meghalaya, it is the Congress Party which gave the statehood. It is the Congress Party which gave the foundation for the state of Meghalaya. It is the Congress Party which built the entire initial infrastructures for the state of Meghalaya. And it is important for the Congress Party to have the voice of Meghalaya having its representation at a national level. We have so many educated people here, and it is important for us to now showcase it, because you look at NPP being affiliated to the BJP is being sidelined at every nook and corner, and if at all they want to do anything, they are not allowed by the BJP to showcase the voice of Meghalaya. So it is for the Congress Party to highlight the voice of Meghalaya by highlighting the talents of Meghalaya. And that is why the exercise has been launched in the state of Meghalaya. The way in which BJP has been projecting is India got freedom only after 2014. And a lot of the media were falling to that song also. Whereas the country was built painfully, brick by brick. Everything from 1947 or before by the Congress Party. Nobody realized that. Now, again, the Congress Party is taking the first step to take the voices of the people of the Northeast, and now from the state of Meghalaya. We are launching it in the state of Manipur. It's already there in Assam. Tripura is getting launched, and after the Christmas it will be launched in the other states of Northeast also. So it re-emphasizes the importance and the significance which is given by the Congress Party to the Northeast side of India.
Yes.
you see the increased interest, to the Congress party in the state of Meghalaya. And that's a motivation for us to launch in the state of Meghalaya, because we have been receiving lot of calls, a lot of interest to be a part of the Congress ideology. And that's what it is. After Purno Sangma, who was the last central minister from the state of Meghalaya? I'm asking you. No, not like this. Name it. Name it. Louder. So you have the answer for that one. We have, the Congress party has given you. Now BJP is with NPP. Can you tell me a central minister from Meghalaya? So who is the party which has respected all along the state of Meghalaya? And who is the party which has respected the minorities of the Northeast? He was the Minister of State for the minorities. So we claim with a lot of pride that it is the Congress party which has given space for the talents from the Northeast, and we continue to do that.
Our intention is to give space, platform to the people of Meghalaya who are interested. That exactly what Madam has said, that this is a platform not only for the people of Meghalaya, for all India hunt for talents. So it is a space for everyone, and we request you press also to spread this news.
They can also apply.
Yeah, you can also apply. You all of
I speak and represent.
Yeah.
That's a tagline.
Yeah.
Anything?
You love it.
On
That
talent?
should be fine.